I'm Mike, double stuff Dewitt. This is Ben Perry. We're here at 10th Planet Springfield, Superhero Jiu Jitsu Academy. This is your white belt tip of the week. We're going to talk about when we look to attack an armbar from bottom, okay? However your entry is, right? A big issue that I see a lot of white belts have is they start to cross their feet here. And the reason why a lot of people cross their feet is because they want to close that circle, right? If I've got my feet spread apart, it feels like there's a big space for him to slide out. And if I'm not leg curling, right, that is a problem. But when I cross my feet, notice his head, it's not affecting his posture at all, okay? And he can start to come up, he could stand up, he could pull his arm out, and he can turn the corner and pass my guard, right? That's a problem when we look for an armbar, okay? So like I said, whatever your armbar entry is, that's irrelevant at this point, but crossing your feet when you're on bottom is not gonna help you. Like I said, notice his posture. And what we really wanna do is we wanna uncross our feet and we wanna leg curl our heel to our butt on the neck, okay? And notice what it's doing to his posture. It's pulling him down towards me. Now this leg on the backside, same thing. I don't want it down here by his hip because it's not helping me keep his posture. I wanna keep him controlled. So I'm gonna put that in his armpit and I'm gonna curl my feet, my heels towards my butt. And this is gonna help me maintain his posture, okay? So when I've got that heavy and I'm lifting my hips up, it's very difficult for Ben to now posture up. He'd have to step up on a foot and he'd have to really go up. By this time, I've already broken his arm 3 times at least, okay? So again, let's rotate a little bit here. So like I said, guys, we're looking to, however we get to the armbar, right? We don't wanna cross our feet. Look at that, his posture. I can't control his posture whatsoever. And when we're putting bottom, when we're in our closed guard, we wanna control that posture, right? So my legs, my strongest parts of my body, right? Curling down on his neck. I'm using my heel towards my butt. This leg that's lower needs to be up in the armpit. And look at just how it changes the angle of my body to his body when I begin to do that. I'm keeping his posture broken down, curling my heels to my butt. I don't want to extend. I'm not trying to extend my legs. That's not going to help me at all. Okay? We're not crossing our feet. Okay? It is natural to feel that way, but this is just so much stronger here. And then we can lift our hips. And by the time he's trying to posture out, like I said, we've broken that arm. Again, guys, when we're on our back and we're trying to get that arm bar, we need to control their posture. We don't want them to be able to stand up and rip their arm out, turn the corner and pass our guard. We really want to keep their posture down and in, pulling our heels to our butt. Okay, guys, it's going to improve your armbar success tenfold, at least. No problem. All right, guys, so remember, there's only so many YouTube videos that you can do and watch and learn from without actually going to a school and picking up the actual knowledge and fine details and critiquing your technique. So come in to 10th Planet Springfield Superhero Jiu Jitsu Academy with Ben Perry and me, Mike Double Stuff Dewitt.